right, congratulations, Jimbo. You're in the old bed, huh? You strapped in, looking up at the 9 screens. Yeah, your life couldn't be any better, huh?
No.
You got 30 seconds. You get all 9 right. This is yours.
Listen up, dude. If you want to be cool, you should drive a Mitsubishi Mirage to school. It's an awesome value with a sporty new form, and it's roomy enough to fit half your door. More suitable car you will never find. So if it's not a Mirage, you better change your mind. Word.
All right, Jim. Woo! It's not a bad little gift. Here you go. 9 screens. Here's your peak. Good luck. On your mark. Get set. Go.
1, Bruce Springsteen.
Yes.
2, Madonna.
Yes.
3, Peter Gabriel.
Yes.
4, pass. 5, pass. 6, Paul Abdul.
Yes.
7, pass. 8, The Cult.
Yes.
9, Suzanne Vega.
Yes.
4, Tin Machine.
Different.
4, David Bowie.
Yes.
5, pass. 7, Julian Lennon.
Yes.
5, The Police.
Yes! Yes! Woo! You won a car! He won, look at him. He won a car! He won a car! And a Soloflex, and a guitar, and a bike, and a car stereo, and a video game package, and a telescope, and CDs, and a Codaphone. Unbelievable. You have a driver's license?
I got one.
You have a driver's license. He needed a new car. Isn't life funny? That's remote control. Bye-bye.
All contestants receive LA Gear, fashion that functions. High-style athletic footwear is high performance, too. Perfect for all your moves. LA Gear. Take control of your life with Zenith multi-brand remote control. It operates most brands of TVs, VCRs, and cable converters from the company that invented the remote control, Zenith. The remote control board game is here from Pressman. Losing contestants take home from the Gumi Guys. Gumi friendship bracelets featuring their brand new super colorful Ova-Ovas and fashionable woven leather bracelets. Gumis, get 'em. Promotional considerations provided by Merle Harmon's Fanfare, featuring replica and authentic team apparel with over 100 locations in shopping malls nationwide. Merle Harmon's Fanfare is a sports fans gift shop. Street Neat Leather Wayfarer sunglasses by Ray-Ban. Elegant and boss leather that's right in step with today's fashion. Wayfarer, the world's finest sunglasses from Bausch & Lomb. Starburst Fruit Chews. Tangy fruit taste, big fruit kick. Starburst starts up the juice.